VFDs for irrigation pumping, the good, the bad and the ugly. And will they save you money? Since VFDs were introduced in the late 80s, they have been promoted with claims of energy savings up to 75%. So what makes them so effective in saving energy? It's to do with the pump affinity laws, where power is proportional to the pump speed cubed. So we reduce the pump speed by 10%, we reduce the power required by 27%. This applies to variable torque applications with zero static lift, such as industrial cooling and circulation pumps, conveyors and some irrigation flood pumps. But what about irrigation pumps which are pressure or flow regulated? During irrigation, pump duty deviates from its natural variable torque characteristics. Therefore, natural affinity laws do not apply. Other formulae apply to irrigation pumping to determine energy savings with reduced pump speed. This course describes various pumping configurations used in irrigation and analyses each according to their ability to save energy. These configurations include variable flow such as turf or variable pressure such as ag. Different pump configurations are required for turf and ag for optimum energy efficiency with a VFD. Many of these pumping combinations do save money with a VFD, but not as much as you would expect. In fact, some pump configurations result in poor to no savings with a VFD, with the potential for pump damage. This course comes with software fit for purpose, which with uploadable pump curves of your choice, infinitely variable pump speed, inclusion of constant pressure and constant flow set points, dual power curves, and it's free issued. There are 2 sessions, one on hydraulics and energy savings, and the second on electrical requirements and their limitations. So before you fit a VFD to your irrigation pump, make sure you attend this training course. The worst case scenario is that you become a victim of the urban myth that VFDs save pumping costs, because they don't necessarily. Register now. Go to www.tally.biz/gbu.php.